Hey guys, we're back. We're back to camping.
Butt is really sore.
It's raining right now.
Scared him.
And it's not nice. Yeah, we have a community dodgeball game
At
today.
1 o'clock, and before that, we're going swimming in the lake.
Yeah, we're going swimming in the lake, so it's gonna be fun. Tomorrow, I'm just gonna walk around, show stuff.
Shoes, not shoes.
Show stuff. Ah. This looks like a torture device, guys. Okay, it looks like a torture device.
Tell them your thoughts why it's a torture device.
The thoughts are dramatic.
I'd put someone's finger in there and let them hang off the cliff
That's mean, dude.
if they killed the key.
What?
They killed the key.
Oh, if they killed you. Na, na, na.
They couldn't. I'm too strong.
Your nose ain't.
Here's the real torture device.
That flashlight is the person who killed the king. It just won my king. Bum bum.
Bum, bum. What? Put your leg in it?
Yeah. My leg's still under it. It feels weird. So yeah. See you guys tomorrow.
In my butt crack.
See you guys tomorrow. Inside my butt ground. Oh no!
What did you do?
Oh no. See you guys. Bye.